Okay, now welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ade, and you're watching She Slay TV. And this is the second color that I'm reviewing. The first one I did was orange, and it's for this wig right here. It's a wig Paulonia, and this color is the ATT Fuschia Red. And once again, I have her 4 different colors, so go ahead to my channel and see all 4 colors. This color is a bomb. It's hot pink, and it has a lot of different other colors in there. That looks real good. I love how flat it is. I love how bone straight it is. But then again, you're gonna feel, just like I explained in the other video, some snags. But just brush it right out. Brush it right out because this wig is worth it. It has no lace because it's a wig. It's a full wig. It's not a lace front. And this is the orange one. The combs in the front, combs in the back, adjustable straps. This is the parting space, as you can see how see-through that is. Don't pluck it because there's not, I just feel like it's not enough hair right there to pluck it. I feel like if you do pluck it, you're risking exposure to tracks. Yeah, we don't want that. Yeah. But it's really comfortable. It's not, it's long, but it's not that long. I feel like it's about 26 inches shorter in the front. It is more like 18, 20 in the front, and then it gets longer in the back. And I still have a lot of hair in the back. I didn't even bring everything to the front. Let me see if I bring everything to the front. Yeah, still stop me right there, at my hips. So that's about 26 inches. It's really flat. I love it. I don't want my video to be too long. I don't want it to be too short. I want it to be informal. I'm trying to think. It's not really much to say about this wig. It's one of those throw on and go, summertime ready. You're going to be in a club. It's going to turn heads. People are going to stare at you because the color is bright. I love the dark root. Go ahead and just add makeup. Don't even think about plucking. But if you want to be very careful and pluck, go ahead. But watch out for them tracks. Don't say I didn't tell you so. And yeah, I really love this. I feel like as soon as they come up with like a, what is it, like a bang to this wig, I'm gonna buy it. I'm trying not to cut, like, imagine if I cut it and bump it. That would be fire, but no, I'm just gonna keep it like this. Yeah, don't forget to take a look at my other videos on this wig. I got 4 colors in total. This is one of those colors. I got the orange, the green, and the yellow. So let me go try them on right now. I'm so out of breath. Been doing a couple wigs today. Yeah, so that's about it, y'all. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. Go ahead and leave me a comment, ask me a question. Check me out on Instagram, She Slay TV. Check me out on Facebook, She Slay TV. I'm also in a group called Hustle Dolls, The Beauty Hive, Braided Weave Wigaholics. Yeah, we out there. And that's about it. I don't know what else to say right now, and I don't want my video being just a bunch of rambling. I don't do that. So like I said, if you have any questions, go ahead. You know, even if you reach out to me on Facebook or Instagram, if you want to find out like further information, just go ahead and reach out to me. I'm really friendly. I ain't mean. Just, you know, just let me know what it is that you want to know about this wig. And don't forget to hit the notification. Don't forget to hit the bell so that it notifies you when I do upload a new video.